Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you are well. I'm currently sitting in traffic behind a fire engine, but the plan is I'm off to my mate's house. It's a bit of him and another guy, and then we are off to the local bike meet, the TWT that I mentioned in a previous video. So obviously, unfortunately, I decided to go through town, and obviously town is heaving with traffic, so schoolboy error. So once I've got through this traffic and I met up with my mate Dave, let's face it, everyone's got a mate called Dave. So me and Dave and this other guy, I can't remember who the other guy's name was, but yeah, but the plan is we're gonna once I get through this lot, which could take a little while, and we're on the route, I will come back to you. So welcome back. Got through the traffic, met up with Dave. He's the geezer in the middle. He's on a Honda CRF 300. Bike I wouldn't mind, to be fair, for my little winter hack. And then we've got Dave's mate in front, Mike. I believe he's on a GS. I'm gonna say 1200. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm sure it was a 1200. So yeah, we're currently on our way to Tuesday. So obviously Dave's mate Mike is leading because he pretty much knows how to get there, I believe, without using a sat-nav. I mean, I've got my sat-nav on the bike obviously, but we're not using that. He's taking us down the back route to get there, because otherwise it'd be really boring bypass. I know how to get there on the bypass, just not by the back roads, and let's face it, no one's going to bypass these back roads, do we? Although this is a little bit bumpy. But anyway, I'll hand you over to the 360. Enjoy the ride. I'll speak to you when we get to Tuesday. Very busy. Busier than last week. Yeah, it is, yeah. Loads more busy. Loads more busy? I think that's a word.
Oh man, just in a queue for a fucking pint.
Yeah, right.
Beer as well.
It is
I was like, no, I won't have a beer at home because I'm having one.
Oh yeah. I lost my ones ages ago.
Huh?
I lost my firebike ones ages ago.
You lost yours?
Yeah.
What? I thought I'd lost mine, but I found it.
Clearly. Right, ladies and gents, let's go and have a nose. So there you go guys, that was Two Wheel Tuesday. No guessing what day that's held on. If you are interested in going, it is, I mean, every Tuesday in the spring and summer months. Well worth a visit. Obviously today was really busy. I think that's because mainly it's a really nice day, but the event actually did get a lot of press coverage when Foggy was there last week, so I think that's probably why it's quite busy today. But I mean, to be fair, it does actually get really busy without the press coverage, because it's just a really well-known bike meet and it's really worth going to. Like I said to you before, I think earlier on, it's probably one of the most popular bike meet in the area, and it was pretty obvious that, you know, it is quite busy and quite popular by the video. But if you're interested in going, it's held generally from springtime through to the end of summer at the Ox and Plough pub in Old Buckingham, right near Attleborough. So if you're in the area and you've actually gone to a decent bike meet, highly recommend that one. It's probably the best one, to be fair. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I'm going home the boring route because, well, I've got a blacked out visor on. It's getting dark-ish, so yeah, I just need bypass and lots of lights to be able to see what I'm doing. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I shall speak to you on the next video. Catch you later.